Hey guys, my name is Roy and welcome to this video, and on this video I'll talk about how you can make money online with zero investment or very low investment. This channel is all about how you can maximize your revenue and optimize your content. So if you want to get ahead of your competition, make sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking the subscribe button and also hit the bell notification so that you can know when a new video is uploaded. Now keep in mind that I have used all these methods to make money. I have a 6-figure income, so if you want to do that, just replicate what I did, and that's what I'm going to teach you in this video. So the very first way to make money online is to run a web hosting business. Now this market is very competitive out there, and if you start a web hosting company, you will not really gather any more clients from the first month or second month. You have to work on it, work on the SEO, and you can start this company. So what is a web hosting company and how you can start one? So web hosting company is basically you can have other people's websites stored into your servers. Now there are many ways you can do that. You can either buy servers directly, which is a little bit costlier method, but also you can buy a reseller account. Now a lot of companies do that. My own company, I have my own web host known as digitalhostingzone.com. From there you also buy a reseller account. At first when I started this, I started with a reseller account, and right now I have my own servers, I have clients, and I am making money from this company. So that basically means is that if I can do it, then you can also do it. Now keep in mind, it is a competitive market, so you have to go through your friends and family first and see if anyone needs any web hosting. Maybe a friend of your friend needs a web hosting and you can provide that to them. At first you have to start with very cheap rates. You will make no money for 2-3 months, but once it's started, once you build up your company and once it has loads of clients that you get, you can make money from this company. Now the second option is also hosting, but it's not web hosting, it's called game hosting. Now as you know, people play games, and sometimes these people needs private game servers, which is not provided by the official game servers. So what you can do, you can sell private game servers to these people. Now this market is not that much competitive, it has few monopolies, but if you want to get into this kind of market, you have to know that your price must be very cheapest. Also there are resellers available for this kind of companies. One that comes off from the top of my mind is Monster X Hosting. I used to do that under them, but right now we have our own servers. So my company eternalhosting.net has all these games that you can buy, game servers that you can buy, and you can play games with your friends in a private game server. It's very easy to set up. It will take only a few minutes, and you need to know a little bit of technical knowledge, but if you don't have the technical knowledge, you can read up on that, and it is very easy to start this kind of company, and you can very easily start making money from day 1 or day 2, because as I said, this market is not very competitive. So if you keep your prices lower, you will definitely get clients. So the third way is affiliate marketing. Now some of you may know about it, some of you may don't know about it, but in order to do affiliate marketing, you need to have a high traffic blog, or you need to have a successful YouTube channel. If you have those and if you are not making enough money, you can switch to affiliate marketing. Basically, affiliate marketing is basically connecting people with products. You are the mediator, you will connect people with products. You will have a unique link. So if people clicks on the link, goes to the website and buys the product, you will be making money. There are a lot of websites where you can sign up as affiliate. The websites are Amazon, Best Buy, also Walmart. All these websites have affiliate marketing. So if you have a blog or if you have a successful YouTube channel, you can review products there and you can drop a link in the description. If people clicks the link, buys the product, you will be making money. It's as simple as that. Okay, the fourth one is a little bit awkward one, because I have used this personally and I have made money, I have lost money, then I again made money. So it's kind of a way you can make money. It's basically called online trading. Now if you don't know anything about it, just don't do it. But if you want to make good amount of money, it can be done using online trading. There are websites like IQ Option, Olymp Trade, all these websites are out there. But if you don't know what you're doing, don't join these websites, okay? It is very risky business, and if you know what you're doing, then only join these websites. Basically what happens is you need to predict trends of the shares. You can also buy shares and sell shares. It's very easy to make money on these websites, but I will let you know that it is very highly risk websites. If you will lose money, then you will lose money. If you know how to do trading, if you know how to do online trading, if you know how to predict trades by seeing the patterns and everything, if you know how to do these kind of things, you can research up on Google. And I will not be teaching you all this stuff because this stuff take a lot of time, but do your research on Google and see how money can be made from this company. It is very easy, and if you know what you're doing, you can make a good amount of money from these websites. Okay, the last way to make money is by flipping products. Now what I mean by flipping products is to buy a product at a cheap rate and then sell the product on a much higher price. So what I have done is I have bought Pokemon cards from my local store, which takes like 15 rupees, and I sold them on a much higher rate, around 1000 rupees on eBay. It's very easy to do and you can make a lot of profit from it. Now keep in mind that you not only have to sell Pokemon cards, you can sell cups, mugs, things like that. You can buy from a wholesaler where the rate is very cheap, and then you can list them on websites like Amazon, eBay, and all the things are be listed, and it will be much higher price. So when people buys those products, you will get a good amount of profit from out of these things. Watch Gary V, and Gary V has really good videos on how to flip products online or even in real life, where you can buy products from the market and sell it to your friends, families, or your colleagues at a much more higher rate, and that way you can make more money. Now keep in mind that I have used these techniques to make money, and some of these techniques are still making me money. Some of them stopped, like online trading has stopped it like a year ago, but it did make me money and I did went to a profit. And after that I never did it because I have no time, and you have to dedicate time in this for a lot of things. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, leave us a thumbs up out there and leave a comment if you want to know anything about a particular thing, and I will definitely answer them. So that's all for today's video. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Bye.